Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the JanitorAI Error Code 520. As per our research, this error comes when users try to access JanitorAI or chat with the bots. According to our research, this is a server-side issue. The error is likely caused when JanitorAI's servers are overloaded, there is a glitch in their backend, or their cloud service like Cloudflare fails to process the request correctly. The first thing you should try is to refresh the page and check if the error goes away. If refreshing doesn't help, then wait for a few minutes and try again. The error often fixes itself when the server load reduces. If you still get the error, then try switching your internet connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa and check for the error again. If the error still comes, check JanitorAI's official pages to see if there are any outage announcements. If nothing works, then wait till the JanitorAI team resolves the issue on their end. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.